Information before installation and connection of the duct air heater. Operating conditions. Installation. Installation is possible in almost all positions, except when A. The installation position is horizontal and the connection box is facing downward. B. The installation position is vertical and the airflow is directed downward. Install the round duct heater in accordance with the airflow direction, as indicated on the housing. Control system. This type of heater is controlled by an external analog 0 to 10 volts DC signal. Electrical connection. The 0 to 10 volts DC control signal is connected using a 2-core cable according to the wiring diagram under the cover. Minus connected to terminal 9, plus connected to terminal 10. According to the wiring diagram under the cover, regardless of whether the heater is powered by 2 times 400 volts or 3 times 400 volts. Connect the appropriate power supply cable according to the heater type specified on the heater nameplate. 1 times 230 volts connect to PE, N, L terminals. 2 times 400 volts connect to PE, L1, L2 terminals. 3 times 400 volts connect to PE, L1, L2, L3 terminals. Meaning of temperature controller, LED indications. Power LED flashes once per second. Heater is operating. Heating LED on. Heater is heating. Troubleshooting. Heating LED off. Check the 0 to 10 volts DC signal connection.